Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing this eye look, how to blend your eyeshadow, how to use more than one eyeshadow to do your look. If that's something you want to see, then keep on watching. So in today's video, I'm not going to be starting with my brow. I'm going to be finishing off with my brow. I'm going to start applying foundation and all of those good stuff on my face before I come back with my eyebrow. So like I said, I've already prepped my face. I have my moisturizer on and I have my primer on, so I'm just going to go in with my foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Fina Beauty. Is it Fina Beauty? But I know it's from Fina Cosmetic, so that's what I'm going to be using today. And I'm also using a very damp beauty blender. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the LA Gear Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. So using the same damp beauty blender, but on the other side of the beauty blender with the sharp end, I'm going to blend my concealer. So using a very small beauty blender, I'm going to use it to blend my nose. So to set my concealer, I'm going to be using a Sacha Buttercup powder to set my concealer. But before setting in, I'm going to go one more time to blend my under eyes because it's creasing there right now. So for my nose, I'm going to pinch the brush. You can use a small brush if you want, but I'm just going to pinch this one and use for my nose. So to set my face, I'm going to be using the Flawless IV face powder to set the rest of my face. So for my nose contour, I'm going to be going in with this fluffy brush. So always blend your contour into your crease. So for my face contour, I'm going to go in with this contour brush. So further enhance my contour, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this red eyeshadow. So next I'm going to draw my eyebrows. After highlighting under, I'm still going to set it before I go in with my eyeshadow of the day. I'm going to be using the Queen Amina palette in the Tara brand, and I'm going to be using this red color called Turuku. So I'm just going to pack it, then dust, and then place on my eyelid. So after that, when I'm done, I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush and use an orange color to blend out the crease. So I'm going to go in with this color right here to blend out the crease. So for my outer corner of eyes, I'm going to go in with another beauty blender and then go in with this dark purple shade for my outer V. Then when I'm done blending the outer V, then I'll take my hand into my crease just to give it a little more depth. So after that, I'll go in with my red brush to put in. I'm going to pack the first color, which is the red, and place it back just to bring it back, because after the blending I lost a good number of the red, so I'm going to bring it back. So when I'm done with that, I'll go in with the second brush, the fluffy brush, and then blend the edges. So I'm going to repeat the exact thing for the second eyes. So for my under eye, I'm going to go in with the flat brush I used in packing the first color onto my eyelid, the red one. Then I'm going to smudge under my eyelid. Then I'm going in with the dark purple just to give it some more depth. So for my lips, I'm just going to line my lips. Then I'm going to apply lip gloss over it. I'm just going to finish my hair off camera, then I'll be back. So this is the final